Good morning, students. I hope you all enjoyed the activity classes. We too enjoyed seeing your lovely dances, seeing you preparing delicious dishes. So now it's time to get back to studies. So today we will do Standard 6 Literature, O Captain, My Captain. It is a poem by Walt Whitman. So Walt Whitman, he wrote this poem on the death of the American President Abraham Lincoln. I hope you all are familiar with the name Abraham Lincoln. He was the President of America who fought against slavery. Before his tenure, the Americans, they used to buy slaves and then they used to treat them the way they wanted. But Abraham Lincoln, he fought against slavery and he won. So when he was fighting against slavery, some people supported him and some did not. So one of the people who did not support him, he killed him. Walt Whitman wrote this poem as a tribute to Abraham Lincoln at the end of Civil War. So here in this poem, the speaker, he addresses Abraham Lincoln as the captain of the ship who is lying dead on the deck of the ship. Here he is saying that the voyage of the ship is over and they have returned victorious, and people are on the shore to celebrate the victory, but the captain of the ship is lying dead on the deck. Okay children, now let's start the poem. My captain does not answer. His lips are pale and still. My father does not feel my arm. He has no pulse or will. O captain, my captain, our fearful trip is done. So here the speaker is saying that their difficult journey has come to an end. The ship has withered every wreck. The prize we sought is won. The port is near, the bells I hear, the people all exulting, while follow eyes the steady keel, the whistles grim and daring. The ship has faced many difficulties, but the prize that they had sought, that they have achieved, they have won. And the ship is near the shore and they could hear the sounds of the bell, the people rejoicing, celebrating the victory. Okay, they are looking at the keel of the ship with steady look. They are fearless and unafraid. But, oh heart, 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 oh the bleeding drops of red, where on the deck my captain lies, fallen cold and dead. So here the people are rejoicing, the bells are ringing, people are celebrating their victory, but on the deck there is red drops of blood. On the deck the captain of the ship is lying dead. Oh captain, my captain, rise up and hear the bells. Rise up, for you the flag is flung, for you the bugle trills. So here the speaker urges the captain to wake up and hear the bell which is ringing for him. Flags are being flung for him. For you, bouquets and ribboned wreath. For you, the shore a crowding. For you, they call the swaying mass, their eager faces turning. So, the speaker says that the people have come with flowers and bouquet in celebration of the victory. He says that the captain should wake up and should accept the token of victory because they have won under his leadership. Here, Captain, dear father, their arm beneath your head. It is some dream that on the deck you have fallen cold and dead. So, here the speaker asks the captain to feel the arm under his head. The speaker feels it is a dream. It is not true that their captain is dead. He is lying cold on the deck. Here, the speaker is saying that the captain is not answering to his words. He does not feel the arm under his head. And the speaker, he cannot sense his pulse in his body. The ship is anchored safe and sound, its voyage closed and done. From fearful trip, the victor ship comes in with object won. Here the speaker is saying that the ship has brought home the prize that they had set out for. The voyage or the journey is over, it is done. It was a fearful trip, but it has come back victorious. What was the intention or the motive? That is one. Exalt, O shore, and ring, O bells. So here the speaker addresses the shores and asks the people to keep rejoicing and enjoying, even though he is mourning. But I, with mournful tread, walk the deck. My captain lies fallen cold and dead. So the speaker trusts the people to enjoy and rejoice for their victory, but he walks down the ship with heavy heart, where his captain is lying dead on the deck. Okay children, I hope the poem is clear to you.